are 3,700 publicly traded companies right now. That is down by 50% since 1997. It's down 17% just since COVID, because every time there's an acquisition or a bankruptcy or a take private, it's like in China now, there are more people dying than there are being people born. So the same thing, there are more companies coming off of the NASDAQ and the S&P than are going on. And we'll talk more about this. Some of it say it's regulation, but more than anything, a company like OpenAI, I think OpenAI just did a secondary where they gave every employee like a $1.6 million bonus. They can raise capital, they can acquire companies, and they don't have the regulatory burden of being public. So unfortunately, unlike in 2003 when Google goes public at effectively what was $2 a share and gives retail investors the chance to 100x their money, there's so much money in the private markets that effectively, as long as the company is still jamming, its current investors and private market investors and institutions, which tend to be wealthier Americans, say, no, we want to hold on to all that juice ourselves. So increasingly, you would have never had a company like OpenAI worth $500 billion having not gone public. So what does that mean? It means the retail investor no longer has access to these great growth companies, and these guys have less incentive to go public. And typically when they do go public, it's the following. All right, the smart guys who really know our company have decided there's not much upside left here. We gotta find a group of people who will turn this into a meme stock. Mm-hmm. Oh, I know, public market investors.
Right. Just like what's happening with Tesla.
So all of the juice, the juice has been squeezed by the time these guys go public. Now, does that mean there's still not opportunity in the public markets? No, there probably still is, but you would have never. It used to be it took a company 7 years to go public. Now it's 14. The really good companies are staying private because they can get everything they need in the private markets now.